Hey everybody, this is Zack with Easy Locksmith. Today I'm working on a French door, the one you see behind me. What they used to have over here was a dummy, on the other side the same thing with a latch and a bolt. So I started by removing all of the hardware off of both of the doors, as you can see. Now I need to find the exact spot where to create the fresh installation with this. And yeah, this is the hardware that they used to have. So each door had different hardware. It did not look good and it did not function correctly. Hey everybody, just finished the fresh installation and installing the design handles, and this is what it looks like.